Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram. To fix common issue with Telegram, you can try the following steps. You need to first check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue still persists. Or you could also try restarting the Telegram app, open it and simply close it off. And sometimes this simple step can resolve minor issues as well, or you could try updating your Telegram app. What you have to do is go to the Play Store, look out for the Telegram app, and make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements as well. And sometimes you could also try restarting your device. A simple restart of your device can resolve issue within the Telegram app as well. And if none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling back again. And if you're facing a specific problem within the Telegram, you need to provide more details. And this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Telegram. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.